Hello class. Now in this lecture we will start with our new topic, that is steering mechanism and the suspension system. In case of the two-wheeler, steering and the suspension system plays very important role, because here in case of the two-wheeler, only with the help of the two wheels, driver have to maintain their balance on it at a different road condition and a different speed condition. Okay, and because of that the suspension and the steering mechanism both are integrated and work together in case of the two-wheeler to maintain the stability of the vehicle with as per the different road condition and the speed condition of the vehicle. So here we are first of all start with the steering mechanism. In case of the steering mechanism, handlebars is the one of the most important part of uh, it, on which various controls is mounted, and it is grabbed by the driver, which decide the driver riding posture even. Okay, so it mainly consists of a handlebar, a bar type structure which is grabbed by the driver. Okay, after control of vehicles such as the transmission control, engine controls, and the electrical controls. So here electrical controls, engine controls, and the uh, transmission controls is important for the driving mobility of the vehicle, and the handlebar grab position on the area where the driver grab the handle, that portion and the shape of the handlebar is plays an important role to maintain the balance of the vehicle. Okay, so on the basis of the shape of the handlebar and the area which is grabbed by the driver, uh, or their position accordance with the driver body position is depend on the type of vehicle which we are using and the area in which that vehicle is using. For example, if you are using the vehicle for the city touring purpose, for example, the vehicle used by the city polices or the that delivery person, need to be have such a position, such a posture in which they are the person should be always seated at the alert condition. Alert means in case of the city, many obstacle comes suddenly in front of the vehicle, and there are number of turns and the roads are narrows. Okay, so because of the driver need to be very alert while driving in city. So the handlebar should not be should not be give such a posture in which driver sitting a relaxed way. Okay, so the handlebar should be in that way, it always keep the driver in alert position. After that, if you are using your vehicle for the highway touring, that time the driver position is more relaxed, because in case of this highway touring, the road is it's too far. Road travel by the rider is too much, and the most of the time they are traveling in a straight ahead position, so the driver need not even alert as that much they are in a city riding. So the shape of the handlebar should be such way that they allow to sit a driver in more relaxed position. If you are riding your vehicle in racing uh, laps, okay, so in that case the shape of the handlebar in such way that it 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 offers a driver, to sit in such way that, so that air resistance should be a minimum. If you are if if you are if you are driving off-roading, okay, so in that case rider should be seated in such way that, so it can have, or he can have a total control on the entire machine in every circumstances. Okay, so in that manner a driver position should be maintained in the off-roading vehicle or the dirt racing. Okay, so on the basis of the different type of the shape of the handlebar, it is classified as a clip-on, motocross, tracker, drag, Z bar, frisco, mustang, keystone, clubman, jumps, ape hanger, breeze, bridger, M and H, and window type. So out of those all, shape of the handlebar, some of them are having a good significance or the great significance, but some of them are just made to just made for the good looking, or we can say odd looking from others. Okay, so such the handlebar like a chumps, app hanger, okay, edge and window type or the clubman type are the handlebars which are used to just for the odd looking, or just it is giving a different identity in among the crowd, when you are when you are standing in there, it gives you a somewhat different looking from them. So they are not having a any significance, but they are just give a good look or odd look, we can say. Okay, so we will see in next lecture a different type of handlebar on the basis of their shape, okay, and their significance. Okay.